My buddy with the 2018 Ford F-150 with the Coyote engine, he bought it almost brand new, so it only had maybe 15,000 miles on it. So it's always been well maintained. He's gone through under warranty, two sets of cam phaser replacements, and now actually got a brand new engine. So they kept it for several months, and he was driving around brand new Ford F-150s as loaner vehicles until they put a brand new Ford Coyote engine in it. Not reman, brand new. So we're talking about a vehicle that's got something less than 100,000 miles on it. It was within 70,000 miles. He did two cam phaser replacements under warranty. Now he's got the new engine, less than 10,000 miles on that engine, and the cam phaser, in my opinion, is already making noise. Let's take a quick listen to that. This Coyote is making two sounds. The first sounds like a loose component. The second noise I was able to make happen repeatedly by loading the engine on and off while the truck is in gear and foot is on brake. The sound is clearly top end, and I can feel the vibration at the valve cover. So where am I with this? Right now, and it's been several years, I would not buy a brand new Ford Motor product because the quality is way down. Especially, I would not buy a brand new Ford F-150. If you just look at the Coyote engines with the direct injection, if you're not religious about changing your oil, and you should be, but you're probably going to end up having to have the valves cleaned at about somewhere between 100 and 140,000 miles. Now, my 2002 F-150, that is one of the main vehicles on my channel, is now pushing 274,000 miles on the original engine. I've replaced the timing set, but that's it. Put in an upgraded fuel pump, but that engine pulls strong, uses a little oil, but it's a great engine, and I would not hesitate to drive it across country. As a matter of fact, recently I've been doing round trips of about 240 miles on that truck, and it doesn't miss a beat. But less than 100,000 miles, two cam phaser sets replaced, and a brand new engine, and it's already making racket again. It's just unbelievable to me. I'm really interested in what you all think. I know a lot of you are Ford people and you follow me. And I just want to close out with this video, and make sure you do comment below because I really want to hear what you think about this and what that noise was. I'm pretty sure that is a cam phaser that's not grabbing properly. All vehicles manufacturers are having quality problems now. There are recalls across the board. Ford, unfortunately, is the king of recalls at this moment. I think they have more recalls than any other manufacturer, but it is spread around. Even Toyota, a high quality company like that, is having major recall issues. So looking forward to your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Again, I'm disappointed in Ford. Hopefully they're going to get their act together. I wouldn't buy a new Ford, but if you gave me a Ford Mustang GTD, I'd kiss you right on the mouth. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.